In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chapters to a Vimeo video. Chapters are a fantastic way to make your content more organized and accessible for your viewers, allowing them to jump to specific sections that interest them. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open Vimeo and sign into your account. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to create one, as you need to be logged in to access the features that allow you to add chapters. Once you're logged in, navigate to your library. Your library is where all of your uploaded videos are stored, so you'll easily find what you need there. After you've clicked on Library, look for the video that you want to add chapters to. It should be listed among your uploads. Now, select the video by clicking on its thumbnail. This will bring you to the video's main page where details about your video are displayed. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu with several options. Look for and click on the option labeled Interactive. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to adding interactive elements to your video. After clicking on Interactive, a submenu should appear. In this submenu, you'll find the option for Chapters. Click on that, and you'll see the interface where you can add your chapters. It might feel like a lot of steps, but don't worry, it gets easier from here. To add your first chapter, look for a button that says Plus, Add a Chapter. Click that, and you'll be prompted to enter the title for your chapter. Think about what the section of the video covers, and try to be concise yet descriptive. For example, if this chapter introduces a new topic or point, you could title it accordingly so your viewers know exactly what to expect. Next up is the timestamp. This is where you set the specific moment in your video that this chapter begins. To do this, either type in the precise time or use the time selection tool if Vimeo has one available. Make sure you double-check the timestamp so that your viewers land exactly where they need to. Once you have your chapter title and timestamp set, go ahead and click on the Add Chapter button to save it. Congrats! You've just added your first chapter. If your video has multiple sections or topics, you can repeat these steps for each segment that you want to highlight. Now, let's say once you're finished adding chapters, you realize you want to edit a specific one. No problem! You can easily do this by clicking on the menu next to the chapter you want to modify. This will allow you to edit either the title or the timestamp if needed. It's super user-friendly, so don't hesitate to make adjustments until it's just right. When you're all done adding and editing your chapters, the final step is to click Save. This is crucial, as it ensures that all your hard work is stored and that the chapters will be available for your viewers to use when they watch your video. And there you have it. You've successfully added chapters to your Vimeo video. It's a great way to engage your audience, allowing them to navigate your content more effectively. If you have any questions, or if there's something more specific you'd like to learn about Vimeo or video creation in general, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Happy editing and keep creating amazing